many bees are we working with here today?
Each hive probably anywhere from 10 to 50,000 bees. They are Africanized, so they will be a little bit more testy.
So what do you think the chances are of these guys getting stung today?
They're going to get stung. Yeah, there's no doubt in my mind, when you hit a ball full of bees, you're going to get stung.
How many bee stings do you think we can take?
I think it takes about 100 to kill a man.
What?
There's 50,000 bees.
Did you just make that up, please?
I don't think I made it up. So
What? There's 50,000 per hive. 50,000 and it takes 100 to kill a man?
I think it's about 100 bees can kill you, if I'm not mistaken.
What are we doing here? Making a hit movie. Go for 99 and then take off. Oh, that's got to piss him off too, right? Just being poured in there? Oh, just a little bit.
Starting to think that maybe this wasn't that good idea. It seemed good on paper.
Look at this. This is going to be gnarly now, man.
Come on, go. Let's do it.
Wow, no, I'm getting hit.
Shit.
Come on, man.
Right?
Oh! Oh! Come here. Go on, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it! Oh! Do it! Oh! Fucking do it!
Got a butt ton of bees. My three sexy players. This is Beehive tetherball. Game on!
Ah!
Game on!
Ah! Ah! Oh, you shit! I can't do it anymore!
Shit! Fuck! God damn it! Ow! Oh, shit!
Just get ahead!
Fuck! Shit! Oh, fuck!
Oh! Oh, fuck! Oh, dude, my hurts! Oh, fuck! Please put me somewhere where there's no bees!
It's a carbon dioxide. No, your body heated up, so they targeted you so really good, man.
Oh, I'm so fucking hurt!
You were running around, that carbon dioxide.
God, I gotta get rid of it!
Yes, that Dave doesn't understand is that the more you freak out, the more you get stung.
Ice water.
Idiot.